welcome to a new episode of Carl's Kitchen. Today we'll be making pancakes. Ingredients will be in the description below. Down here, wait, oh they're here, here. Oh, they're here. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, 135 grams of flour. So next, we'll have to scoop not 1, but 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. And now we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, never mind what just happened to me. We just had a little spillage. Look at the fun. Next, we whisk it all together. Professional chef in the making. So now we're gonna add the milk because we need some milk. Next, we're gonna add 1 beaten egg, like I said before. Next, we're adding in the melted butter. Now to whisk it. Oh my gosh, it's more goopy this time. Do you think this will make a good batter? Oh, it's starting to turn into something. So, we've successfully made our batter. For this next bit, you'll need a very responsible adult. Come here. The return of the responsible adult.
Hello, I'm responsible adult.
We got the pan ready. Now we're gonna heat it up. Make sure you set it on high heat with a little bit of oil, just a little bit. There goes the first one. And do not disturb responsible adult. He is at work right now. Otherwise he won't be responsible. Once it starts bubbling, then turn it over until both sides are golden brown. Oh, crisp. And then repeat this same process until you used up all the mixture. Here we are, and here's our pancakes ready to be eaten, and this one's mine. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, including girls as well, if any are watching this. And to remember to like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and comment down below. So I'll see you next time.